Hello, I am David Levine. I am the Executive Director of Drum Summit and Hit Like a Girl. And we are so proud to be working with Veeru Shan and her drum circles and drum workshops in Pakistan. We feel that drumming is such a great way to bring people together, to bring the world together, and we've been happy to support her in all her activities. Keep drumming.
Drumming is the best medium to express oneself. With different hands-on drum activities and workshops, people from all age groups get a chance to explore the benefits of drumming. It also helps people to overcome depression and anxiety. Drum Circle is a great idea to build a community and interact with each other. Kids definitely really love drumming because it enables them to express themselves with confidence and helps them with eye-hand coordination. Drumming engages both sides of the brain. It helps create and deepen neural pathways. It also allows your child's brain to learn how to focus and concentrate on one thing. We would like to thank David from Drum Summit and Hit Like a Girl for supporting Milli Bhagat initiative and helping us in making art accessible in Pakistan. Keep drumming!